Naboo, are you in a trance?
No, I'm listening to Fleetwood Mac.
Ah!
Can't juggle about the shape I'm in. I can't sing, I ain't pretty, and my legs are thin. But don't ask me what I think of you. I might not give the answers that you want me to. My legs are thin. Know that I will go to the house takes form just for my go. Understand, he said, sit by me and I've your guiding hand. Don't ask me what I think of you, I might not give the answer that you want me to. My legs are thin.